So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty. And from this box you can easily assume that today I unbox again another very important product. So okay, so let's discuss what the product is. Actually today I unbox a laptop. From this branding you can have a clear idea this is a Lenovo laptop. So actually the model number is Lenovo IdeaPad 320E. Okay, so as you can see there, this is the Lenovo IdeaPad 320E 1511 KBD, and approx the maximum price is 52,000. Okay, so actually I buy it from offline store. So okay, so you can pause the video here and see the details here, and you can also scan this QR code. So this is the box overall look here. So okay, so uh, I unpack this using this blade. So okay, actually my scissors are I forget my scissors. So okay, so 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 as you can see here, so okay, so actually the configuration of the laptop is very much good. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the charger. So actually the today model Lenovo charger is look like Apple charger. So from this box, okay, so as you can see here, this is the warranty, this is a manual, and this is the warranty. So this is the Lenovo support. So okay, and so this is the warranty card. So actually I buy it from 42,000. So okay, let's check anything in this box. No, there is only a thermocol there. So okay, so okay, let's out the laptop from this box. So as you can see here, this is not gunmetal but this is plastic. The smoothness of the laptop is very much good. As you can see, this is the Lenovo branding here. So and in the both sides you can find the model number here. So as you can see here, this is the model number PF0ZUSHU. Okay, so you can pause the video here, and you can and I say that the Lenovo is a Chinese company, but the build quality of the laptop is very much good. So okay, let's talk about the specification of this laptop. This laptop has 8 GB of RAM and 15.6-inch LCD display. It did not IPS LCD. In my previous videos I unboxed another laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad 510, which is IPS LCD, but this is not IPS LCD, this is normal LCD. So okay, on 8 GB RAM, 15.6-inch LCD display, and it's 2 GB 940 MX DDR5 graphics card. Okay, this is a very much good at this price range. But this laptop which comes with two variant, Linux and Windows. So I buy it from I buy it from a local store, so they already set up my account on this laptop. So okay, so as you can see this, so actually and the processor is Intel Core. So actually the, as you can see, this Intel Core i5 7th generation, and you can scan this QR code, and this is the GeForce branding here, and the touchpad is very much good. And as you can see, there is support high-speed Wi-Fi and USB 3.1. USB 3.1 is a upgraded version of USB 3.0, and this is a stylish, sleek design. This is not a metal, but this is a mixed metal type of plastic. I don't know what the element use in this laptop, so but the product quality is very much good. Another thing is the keyboard is not backlit here, so okay, and there is no such power button here. So you have to start the laptop from as you can see here, this power button. So this is the power button. So okay, let's on the laptop here. So as you can see here, the laptop is starting. And the screen resolution of the laptop is 1366 into 768. That means not full HD but normal HD screen. So as you can see there, the laptop is starting. So okay, so this laptop has already set up my account. So as you can see here, this is the laptop. Okay, so what size told on the laptop, let's see the specification. So this is the mouse pointer. So okay, let's see the specification. So as you can see that this is 8 GB RAM, i5 7200, that means i5 7th generation processor, and the normal base frequency is 2.50 GHz, and the turbo boost, this processor support turbo boost, and you can overclock it to 2.71 GHz. As you can see, this is the 8 GB RAM, and 64-bit operating system is supported, and no pen and touch display available. So as you can see here, Windows is activated. So actually this is a OEM key. So as you can see here, so this is the OEM key. You can also install a retailer key on this Windows. So okay, so all the specification. Actually the color accuracy of the laptop is very much good, and as you can see here, this is the design is flawless. So okay, so this is the settings. So okay, so this is the settings here. So okay, this is the settings. Actually this Windows is fall creator update. So okay, so let's see the graphics specification of the laptop. So as you can see, it comes with both Intel graphics media accelerator, and as well as NVIDIA graphics card, not GTX, GT. The okay, so it's also supported high speed Wi-Fi. So you have to, so as you can see here, this is my driver version is my driver version is 398. Actually friends, sorry for the camera quality because I shoot this video on my Lumia 640 XL. I don't have a good DSLR like Canon 80D or Canon 2500D, so you have to adjust the video because I don't have so much money to now to buy the good quality DSLR. So okay, so as you can see that this is version 398.2. this is the graphics version, and this is the GeForce 940 MX. Okay, so let's see the base clock frequency or any other CUDA core. So how to see that? So go to the system information in the below corner, so right click on that. So after that you can find so this is the DirectX version 12 CUDA core 384, graphics clock 180T, memory data rate. So okay, so this is the total available version is 6081. that means a laptop with most probably 6 GB graphics total. That means Nvidia gives some and the Intel graphics unit accelerator gives some memory, so total is 6 GB. So in modern days a laptop comes with 6 GB graphics card in today's market in cheap price at 40,000. this is a very good range laptop, good mid-range laptop. So as you can see there, this is 205 GDDR5 MB. So the frequency of the clock is very much fast. You can pause this video here and see the specification also. So okay, so let's see the resolution here. So okay, so go to the display settings. So as you can see there, this is the resolution is 366.768 MB. so this is the recommended resolution here. So okay friends, and as you can see there, this is the 2 touchpad. No, this is comes with Synoptic device, Synoptic driver to control this mouse. So there is no more button on this mouse pad. So okay, so actually, and the cooling systems are and this laptop also comes with a built-in microphone and the camera also. So as you can see here, so you can see the camera. Actually this is pretty much boring due to my sorry friends for the quality, but my laptop is so you can see the camera from here. So this is the camera. So okay, so this is the camera. Most probably this is a 5 megapixel camera, HD webcam. You can use this camera on for Skype or any other video calling also. So and this is the built-in microphone here. You can speak it from here. So actually the build quality of the microphone and the camera both are awesome. So in this 40,000 price range, this is the very much good laptop. So and another thing is, this laptop comes with 1 year warranty. So if you can do online registration, you can get also a 2-year extended warranty, depend on your area and from which store you purchase. So I request you to buy it from Amazon because you find a good discount on that. So okay, so let's discuss the warranty. The warranty is 1 year ADA, that means 1 year accidental damage protection. And another thing is, and if you register or buy some more 2 years warranty, they did not cover accidental protection. So because in the most probably the another warranty in 1000 more extended 2 years, they are normal hardware defective warranty, because the accidental damage protection warranty is high price, because 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. So okay, so I suggest you to use this laptop 3 or 4 years, and after then you can upgrade it to any gaming laptop or any other thing. So for 4 to 5 years use, this is the best laptop for student. Okay, student and office going people also. So okay friends, so okay, let's see the port of this laptop, what inside the port. So as you can see here, this is the HDMI port, and this is the this both are USB These both are USB 2.0. Black means USB 2.0. So this indicator means the laptop is on. This is the Novo button. Suppose if you have laptop has a serious boot up issue, then you can reset your laptop by entering a pin here. That means a small type of pin inside this hole, and the laptop go to the recovery mode. So okay, so as you can see here, this is the for any other SS drive, and this is for microphone here, and this is HDMI previously said, and this is for LAN connection, and this is the charger port. And you can also here a indicator, that means when you charge your laptop, this indicate it's below 90% or below 90% or many. If you I remember that if suppose if it's red, that means your battery charge is from 10%, below 10%. So okay, let's see inside this. So as you can see, it comes with a DVD writer. This DVD writer comes from most probably Samsung. I don't know, actually you can lock your laptop from here. So actually Lenovo done some pretty good work here, where they provided the, as you can see here, this is a small hole. In previous model Lenovo put the fan, that means when the hot air is compressed by the hot air is passing in previous laptop, the hot air is passing from the side of the Lenovo laptop, but they set this fan in this side, so the exhausting hot air is outside from this corner. So okay, in my view, this is the best laptop in this price range, because 40,000 is very cheap on this market, on Indian market. So because people are crazy to buy iPhone X like silly things on 1 lakh rupees, so you definitely got a 40,000 laptop, because laptop has more value than any other Apple, iPhone, Windows phone, Android phone, because computer can do everything, because by computer programming, all other phone are made, all other phones OS are made, hardware also made. So okay, because all other VSLL designing do by computer also. So I suggest you to investing more in computer other than computer laptop, other than any mobile or any iPhone things. So okay friends, so this is the look, this is a stunning look of this laptop. So okay, so you can see that this laptop is pretty much stunning. You can pause the video here, so you can have a great look of the laptop. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends.